Your car can act broken, even when nothing is actually wrong. A single reset can erase false warning lights, fix rough idling, restore throttle response, and save people hundreds, sometimes thousands, without replacing a single part. Most drivers never learn these resets until after they've paid the bill. Today, you're seeing the free car reset tricks mechanics never explain, starting with the one that completely resets your car's brain. Reset number 10. ECU Hard Reset. Think of your car's engine control unit as its brain, and just like your laptop, sometimes it glitches. The good news is most of the time nothing's broken. The ECU just gets stuck with bad data. Mechanics know this, and many will charge you $150 just to clear codes you could erase yourself in minutes. Here's how. Step 1. Turn the ignition off and pull the key. Step 2. Pop the hood and disconnect the negative battery cable first, then the positive. Step 3. Touch the cables together for 10 seconds. This drains leftover power. Step 4. Leave them off for 15 to 20 minutes. Step 5. Reconnect. Positive first, negative second. Start the car and let it idle for about 5 minutes. What you've done is wipe the ECU's memory clean. This clears ghost codes, restores throttle response, and makes the car feel new again. Now that the brain of your car is cleared, let's fix what you feel every single time you stop at a light. Reset number 9. Idle Air Control Reset. You pull up to a stoplight and suddenly the car starts shaking. Or maybe it idles smoothly one day and tries to stall the next. That's usually your idle air control system out of tune. Here's why it happens. Your ECU manages airflow at idle using an idle air control valve or a built-in idle program. But every time you disconnect the battery, clean the throttle body, or the ECU stores bad data, it forgets its baseline. The result? Rough idle, surprise stalls, or RPMs that climb for no reason and waste fuel. Mechanics love calling this a deep diagnostic. Truth is, most times it just needs a reset. Here's how you do it. Step 1. Start the car and let it warm until the temperature gauge sits in the middle. Step 2. Put the car in park and let it idle untouched for about 5 minutes. Step 3. Switch on the headlights and AC to add load. Let it idle another 2 minutes. Pro tip: don't touch the gas pedal. Pressing it ruins the relearn. When done right, the car idles smooth again, without stalls or wild swings. If your car feels smooth again, but the dashboard is still yelling at you, it's time to talk about warning lights. Reset number 8. OBD2 Scanner Refresh. That glowing check engine light doesn't always mean disaster. Many times, it's just a stored code from a one-time hiccup, like a loose gas cap or a temporary sensor glitch. But here's the catch. Once the ECU saves that code, the light stays on until it's cleared. That's why mechanics love it. They hook up a scanner, push a few buttons, and charge you over $100 for diagnostics. Here's the truth. You can do the same thing at home with the $20 OBD2 scanner. Here's how. Step 1. With the car off, plug the scanner into the OBD2 port, usually under the dash near the steering wheel. Step 2. Turn the key to the on position without starting the engine. The scanner powers up and connects to the ECU. Step 3. Select Read Codes to see what triggered the light. Write them down or save them. Handy if the issue returns. Step 4. Select Clear Codes or erase DTCs. In seconds, the light disappears. Mechanical problems aren't the only things that glitch. Sometimes the tech inside your car needs a wake-up call too. Reset number 7. Infotainment or touchscreen reboot. Your car's screen freezes like an old phone. The Bluetooth won't connect, or the navigation thinks you're driving across a lake. Annoying? Yes. Expensive? Not at all. Most of the time, your infotainment system just needs a reboot. Here's how you do it. Step 1. Check your owner's manual, or dive into the on-screen settings. Look for options like Factory Reset, Restore Defaults, or System Reboot. Don't worry, you're not wiping the car clean, just refreshing the software. Step 2. Select the reset option and follow the prompts. The screen will shut down, restart, and reload fresh. Step 3. On some cars, there's even a hidden reset button, often a small pinhole near the volume knob or under the dash. Hold it down for 10 to 15 seconds until the screen powers off and reboots. This simple trick clears frozen screens, Bluetooth headaches, and glitchy audio without a dealer visit. And while screens can freeze, there's another system that causes hesitation where it really matters: under your foot. Reset number 6. Throttle position sensor reset. Press the gas and your car hesitates like it's making up its mind. That's often not a bad part, it's your throttle system out of sync. Modern cars don't use cables anymore. Instead, your pedal talks to the throttle body through electronics. Over time, the two lose calibration and stop working in sync. The result? Jerky starts, poor mileage, or even stalling at a stoplight. The fix? A simple reset you can do in minutes. Step 1. Turn the key to the on position. Don't start the engine. Dash lights should glow. Step 2. Press the gas pedal smoothly to the floor. Hold it for about 5 seconds. Step 3. Release the pedal slowly. Don't snap it back. Step 4. Repeat the cycle 2 more times. Step 5. Turn the key off. Wait 10 seconds. Step 6. Start the car and let it idle untouched for about 3 minutes. What you've done is reteach the computer your pedal's full range, from idle to wide open throttle. If your car drives better, but that orange light is still glowing, don't panic. This next reset handles that. Reset number 5. Check engine light reset. Few things make your stomach drop faster than that glowing orange check engine light. You start thinking new transmission or thousands in repairs. But here's the reality. Many times, it's just the ECU storing a code from a minor hiccup, like a loose gas cap, a weak battery, or a temporary sensor glitch. If you've already fixed the issue, you don't have to stare at that light forever. You can reset it yourself. Here are 2 simple ways. Option 1. Battery disconnect. Pop the hood. Disconnect the negative battery cable for 10 to 15 minutes. Reconnect. Start the car and the light should be gone. Option 2. OBD2 scanner. Better method. Plug a cheap OBD2 scanner into the port under your dash. Key on, engine off. Select Erase codes. The light disappears instantly. This reset puts you in control, not your mechanic's wallet. Warning lights are annoying, but nothing tests your patience like an AC that can't make up its mind. Reset number 4. Climate control system reset. Your AC blowing hot air on one side and cold on the other feels less like dual climate and more like your car is trolling you. Dealers love this one. They'll talk about bad actuators or control modules and slap you with a bill. But in reality, climate control systems often just lose their place and need a reset. Here's what you can do. Quick battery reset. Turn the car off. Disconnect the negative battery cable for 10 minutes. Reconnect. Start the car and let the system run. This forces the climate control to recalibrate from scratch. Button combo reset. Many GM, Chrysler, Ford models. Ignition on, engine off. Hold the defrost and recirculation buttons together for about 5 seconds. You'll hear the vents click and cycle. That's the system relearning its settings. Manual cycle reset. Set the temperature to full hot for 2 minutes, then full cold. Switch through every vent mode and fan speed. This teaches the blend doors where home is again. Always do this with the engine idling and accessories off. Most of the time, this clears up phantom hot and cold battles without replacing a single part. Comfort systems glitch, but when your car won't even start, that's when things get stressful. Reset number 3. Immobilizer resync. You hop in the car, turn the key, and nothing. The light comes on, the battery's fine, but the engine refuses to start. Your car thinks you're a thief. That's your immobilizer system acting up. It's designed to stop stolen keys from working, but sometimes it loses sync with your real key too. Dealers know this trick, and they'll happily charge you for a security reset. Here's how to do it yourself. Step 1. Always use the original key from the manufacturer. Spare or copied keys can make the problem worse. Step 2. Insert the key and turn it to the on position. Don't crank the engine. Step 3. Press and hold the lock button on the fob for about 10 to 15 seconds. In many cars, this forces the ECU to compare the chip in your key with the one in its memory. Step 4. Turn the key off. Wait 30 seconds, then try to start the car normally. Some models may need the sequence repeated 2 or 3 times. If the Immobilizer light goes out and the car starts, you just saved yourself a tow bill. Speaking of safety systems, there's another reset that keeps drivers guessing: the blind spot monitoring system. Let's fix that one next. Reset number 2. Blind spot monitoring reset. Few systems freak drivers out like blind spot monitoring. That little warning light flashes every time you pass a truck, or when nothing's even there. You start doubting your car. And the dealer's first answer is always the same: sensor replacement. Price tag? Hundreds. Reality? Most of the time, the system just needs a reset. Here's how you do it. Step 1. Park safely with the ignition on. Engine off. Step 2. Locate the blind spot monitoring button, usually on the dash or inside the driver's menu settings. Step 3. Hold the button for 10 to 15 seconds. In most cars, the indicator will blink, or a message will pop up confirming the system reset. Step 4. Turn the ignition off, restart the car, and drive above 20 miles per hour for a few minutes. The system rechecks both sensors and recalibrates itself while you drive. Before resetting, clean the rear bumpers where the sensors live. Mud, road salt, or even a poorly applied wax coat can throw them off. Resetting without cleaning often brings the light right back. This trick clears ghost warnings and saves you from unnecessary sensor replacement bills. While false blind spot alerts are frustrating, nothing feels worse than a steering wheel that suddenly fights you. Reset number 1. Power steering reset. Ever start your car and the steering wheel feels like you're wrestling a truck? No leaks, no noise, just stiff steering that makes you grip harder than you should. In modern cars, that's usually not a broken pump. It's your electric power steering system glitching out. Dealers love calling it a module issue and slapping you with a $700+ bill. But in most cases, the fix is a simple reset. Here's how to do it. Step 1. Turn the ignition to the on position. Engine off. Step 2. Turn the wheel all the way left, then all the way right. Do this 2 times slowly. Step 3. Start the engine and let it idle for 30 seconds. Step 4. Turn the wheel left to right one more time, then center it. What you just did was force the EPS system to recalibrate its steering angle sensor and reset the assist levels. This clears stiff spots and restores smooth steering. Always do this on level ground. If your steering still feels heavy after the reset, check your battery voltage. EPS is power hungry, and weak batteries make it act up. This reset saves you money, restores confidence in your steering, and proves most big problems are just little secrets shops don't share. That's how you reset your car without paying a dime. But resets are only half the story. Maintenance keeps you out of the shop for good. So, which reset surprised you the most? Drop a comment below and let me know. And if this video saved you money, hit that subscribe button so you never miss another money-saving tip. Also, don't miss our previous video, Why Every Mechanic Drives an Older Car. It'll blow your mind for sure.